Hi everyone, today is Sunday, but we've been at the first ever NHS clinical jam. I'm joined here by some very special guests who come really far. Corey from Unity, gaming royalty, is here right in Wilmslow Health Centre, as is Dustin, all the way from Norfolk. So we had a clinical gaming jam today. How do you think it went, guys?
Very fun.
Yeah, impressive amount of work that came out after a little experience at the start to actually having something developed at the end.
Yeah, absolutely. Dustin?
That's great fun. Fantastic there. Yeah, just tinkering and playing, which is what I love doing best.
Excellent. I have also got outside a special guest as well. I'm going to call him in. Hold on. Come in.
Hey, how we doing?
So this is Arun. This is our one-man dynamo, who's the guy behind all the clinical gaming jams and also the clinical hackathons, the first ones in the NHS. Arun, introduce yourself.
So hi everyone, my name is Arun. I'm a pharmacy working in GP practice. I'm also part of the co-founding team alongside Dr. Amal, the clinical AI hackathon, and also the clinical game jam, which is super excited on how it went today. I'm just mind blown on how quickly they were able to go from idea to actually prototyping, both on Rosebud but also Unity, which was for me a game changer. And they also had the opportunity to discuss about the game design document, which is something that's quite specific to the game industry, and everyone, all 14 managed to pull it off. So yeah, I'm impressed.
How is it from a Unity point of view?
Unique. I've never been in an environment before that is so specialised in a different industry, but with so much passion for filling gaps in the market that will improve, GPs' processes and isolating problems in the market, and then coming into say, hey, we can create a game or an idea. I think that's quite interesting. Yeah.
Has it a place in your practice or your patients?
I think with more time and effort, yes. Definitely. I mean, I think that we need to do anything we can to try and change health behaviours and try and improve patients' quality of care. And we don't have limitless resources within this country. So anything we can do to try and gamify that and to make it more applicable for the wider population, that's got to be a good thing.
Absolutely. So we had some winners today from the first ever clinical gaming jam, and we're going to be going down to Unity headquarters in Brighton. On the finals, there's going to be some more heats in London and some other places. Really a lot of competition, but some amazing products coming out there. And we're really looking forward to sending our teams here from the Northwest, or they've travelled from all over the country, down to Unity to see if we can... Is there going to be a prize?
I don't know. I'm sure there will be.
Being at Unity headquarters is enough of a prize. I'm just going to call one more guest in, if you just bear with me all a second. Yes? Get it.
Jim, just stand up.
Hello.
This is Ayaz, Dr. Ayaz Damali, one of the partners here at Wilmslow Health Centre.
Hello.
Can I see you?
Just about.
What did you think of the hackathon today?
I thought it was fantastic. It was great just to observe all the different teams getting together, making such a great effort with Arun and the guiders from Unity and the team, and listen to conversations that they were having on the table. I think they've really been inspired truly to continue to work in this space. It's a really unique way of bringing and thinking about problems in the NHS with the gaming and the aspects of the creation element to it. Fantastic. Great work, guys.
Brilliant. And again, a thanks to everyone, including Unity, all the sponsors, all the people who attended today, giving up their Sunday to come together to do something positive for Britain and the NHS. See you next time.